Here's interesting tutorial I found on Twitter from Peter Krysik SEO. Follow him on Twitter at Krysik Peter. I think it's really interesting, especially if you're doing a lot of SEO or consulting or working with the bigger projects. So basically in Search Console in Google, you will only get to view the first 1,000 rows of any report. Of course, you can filter them. You can just filter from the lowest point to highest or vice versa, and then you figure out your way. But sometimes it's really annoying. So you can see more than 1,000 rows. So what he explains here is that basically you can use Google Data Studio report and use it with the same email you use for Search Console. Then just use the dashboard, create a new report, and select data source. From the list of available domains, select domain you want to link. So basically here you can select data source, and then you can just link the list of domains, and then search type, web, some other settings here, URL impression or site impression. Go back to the dashboard, click create and select report. A chart will log into the page. Click on the chart, then you can just set up the dimensions, add dimensions, like under metric, select add metric. And then you will have full report of all the keywords and URLs in one chart with all the data you get from Search Console, like number of landing pages, queries, number of URL clicks, CTR, and all of that. You can also save this report and bookmark the URL for it, and then you can report other metrics and view stats for multiple sites at once. So that's an interesting tutorial. Yeah, for sure, try it out. Just the trick is to link your Google Data Studio to Search Console and to see all the data from there. So of course it provides much more advanced data research and overview than just figuring out your way in Search Console.